To my homo brothers who have reached the end of their rope, who are feeling so fucking broken, disillusioned, and dissatisfied with life, congratulations. And I'm not just saying that to like hook you into this conversation, but for real, because I also know what that's like. When we are in that place, we are in the place of emptiness, right? Where fuck it all. Fuck it. What have I got to lose? That energy is so potent and powerful. When you're empty and you have nothing to lose, then you can start filling yourself up from the foundation, from the basement. Right? When we get stripped, when life strips us all the way down, like a hurricane that just rips everything apart and all there is the land where the house used to be. When we get to that point, we can rebuild in a way that is intentional. So if you're experiencing that right now, my suggestion to you is to take a pause, to take a breath, to say, I'm still here. I love myself. Thank you for making it through this hurricane, this challenging moment. And what are we going to do? What are we going to do now? Because I'm sure as hell not going to sit here and be lazy. I'm not going to sit here and run to all of my addictive patterns. I'm not going to sit here. Maybe I do feel sorry for myself and I'm still going to act. So start to explore. Write down. Okay, since I have nothing to lose, think about this like an experiment. What if for a month I put all of my energy and effort into creating something, into this plan for my finances, into developing better health, into whatever the area of your life is that needs the most focus? What have you got to lose? Nowhere but up, only building, but build with intention. Use words that don't just talk about how horrible things are right now, because that will create that reality over and over and over. You don't have to deny it, but you don't have to sit and talk about it. What you can say is use language and thoughts and focusing tools to consistently be in the state of mind that where you are right now is perfect for where you're headed, because it's building a strong foundation. And that you now know yourself so well, because anyone who's gone through a really tough time like you have, you'll now know yourself very well. So now is the moment to build a solid foundation and a relationship with yourself of self-trust and love, and saying, hey, from this moment on, I got you. I got you. I love you. You can do it.